Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California, and I've been picking nectarines. What I'm doing is wearing clear glasses, so if I can get inside a tree, which I have been doing, I am not going to damage anything. And they're all wet, which means I've splattered water all over my face by watering the garden. So let me show you the tree, and I'll tell you what we've been doing, and then I'll drop that footage in, and then we'll be done this year for the nectarine. So here is my beautiful nectarine tree. I'll show you as I was climbing in there. I did leave some. I know you're probably saying, oh, but there's one there, there's one there. No, I'm leaving some for the animals that are here. It looks like birds. I thought it was rats or squirrels, but Gary said these are more like peck marks. So the ravens will take them and leave, but this could be mockingbirds, orioles. It's hard to say what will be eating it, but they both eat fruit. And that's what's going on here. This is the end of the season. There will be no more until next year. I love this tree. I think it's I think it might be in its 4th year. It's 3 or 4 years old. It is a seedling that came up in our yard. And then we brought it here when it's just yay tall. It was really small, dug it up and moved it here. And I should be grabbing some more. They come up from seed. The 2nd year growing, they throw 1 or 2 fruit, and then from then on, they're loaded. Love this tree. And you don't have to graft it or anything, and it's freestone, which means when you go ahead and split this when they're ripe, the stone falls away. All right, I'll show you what I did a few minutes ago, and, well, that's it. I'm inside my tree. Oh my gosh, I'm going to slip down the hill. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see if I can get some of these. Gary's been watering my tree. He said everything was fine, and it is. And here's the issue. I have found way too many now eaten, which means in one night, something can come and finish them off. And they're coming off really easy. So they'll ripen in a few days. Oh, there's another one back there. I don't know if I can reach it. Yeah, I'm going with my new eyes in here. Let's not poke. I'm going to have to do this afterwards. There's one up there, too. Most of the top ones, I think, are gone. I got to get that one. Somehow I got to get inside. But I've got these. But these, something happened to the outside. But I'm going to grab them anyway. See how easy they're coming off? And then there's more here. See how they snap right off? If they snap, whoops. Well, I don't want to fall down the hill. He's gone. He won't be back for a while, Gary. If they snap off that easy, then they're ready. When I tried pulling them off like a week or 2 ago, it's damaged, but it still should be good. See, this one got eaten. They wouldn't come off. It was like you were fighting with it. It's here. Let's see. Oh, no, that one came off. Somehow I got to get to the other side. And I feel like something's biting my back. Hopefully it's not. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, this one came off good. Yeah, I'll just take them in. We like eat a ton of them. So once they're ripe, we'll eat them all. It's up here. This is like my favorite fruit tree. Look how nice that is. Let's see. Let me step back. It's a nice basketful. That's not their first basket. I've been coming through here when I get a chance and I pick them. There's been a lot of pits on the ground, so I don't know if it's rats. Skunks have been picking off, I think, the low ones. There's another one back there, a couple more there. Yeah, we had to do this last year. One day, I think I left too many. I came back and they were all gone. The ravens will come down here too, and they will also pick them all. This is just such a great tree. And the fruit is stone free. So if you cut it in half, the stone just falls out. That's pretty much it. I'm probably going to plant a bunch of these pits and just everywhere. And if they come up, just let them go. I've just been picking all these. And your wife has been climbing inside this tree with her new eyes. I was going to climb in the back just now. I didn't know you were coming. Do you want to see if you can snap off any more? I think I can get it. It's all the way in the back. I've been hanging off that stump. The ones that are half eaten or look really bad or really tiny, I didn't bother with. But they're going to be gone in a day or two if we don't. What?
The rest of them look that way.
No, there's a couple really good ones in the back because I grabbed, be careful because I've already done that. I'm wearing clear glasses, so I did get whacked. Oh, and right above your head. Actually, there's another one right up here. Do you see it? I don't know if you can reach it, but I can probably get it. Yep, that's it. That's pretty much it. They've taken the top ones off, which make me wonder if some of these were ravens. The ravens will pull them off and then they'll eat them. The low ones, I think, were eaten by skunks. And then there could have been rats on some and squirrels. But all in all, it's a good haul, considering we've been eating them. This is not the first haul. We've probably eaten almost that much already. All right, the tree is almost stripped. Such a beautiful tree. Yeah, I don't worry about the skin being damaged. I don't know what damaged it. I'm not sure what the damage is, but I see there's one more up on top there. I see one's eaten, you might as well leave that, but the other one's not. Just one more left. I think that's good. We can leave the rest for the birds.
They look like peck marks.
Peck marks. That could be mockingbirds too, and orioles. I haven't hung around to see who's doing it. All right, thank you. All right, see you. You gonna do chickens?
Yep.
I'm gonna keep watering and bring my basket in. Some of them are a little rough. I'm not sure what happened to them. It could have been rubbing on the branches. There were so many together. Some of them are like 4 and 5 on one branch, but boy, they're not ripe yet. They're a little hard, but do they smell good? These are the sweetest things here. So I hope you enjoyed this. I am sure happy. I've got my fruit here. We've been eating it. We eat 2 and 3 at a time. We've been picking and picking, but I think it's time now. That's what I told Gary, to get everything off. So I got it off, and then he ended up coming here and he went deep inside the tree, which I already did, but I got all the nectarines off that we had on there. Left a few little ones, left a few that look like the birds have been pecking at, and that's it for the season. I love the tree. Definitely going to get some more seeds growing. I might just plant them in different areas and let them come up where I want them, and then leave the best ones. So what I do with a lot of my fruits and vegetables is I freeze them. Yeah, you can can them, but I'm not into canning. But of course, if you are, go ahead and can them. So here what I'm doing with the nectarines with this batch is I'm just washing them and splitting them and popping out the pit. Look at that, how easy it comes out. I'm going to plant all of those somewhere and then decide whatever trees grow, which ones I want to keep and give away or plant somewhere. But it's the easiest thing to do. Just wash them really good. I don't even peel them. There's no reason to. The skin on these are sweet too, just like the fruit. And after they're all washed, as you see, I'm putting them on a rack. Of course, I'm going to eat a few here and there. But freezing them is fantastic. It's so easy to do. I do it with tomatoes, tomatillos, peppers, squash, my zucchini, and then I've got it all winter. Just open the freezer and find my own vegetables that grew in the garden. And then once they're all done, take the tray and put it in the freezer. You want them to freeze solid like a rock individually. Once they're solid, frozen, or frozen solid, get a Ziploc bag and then just load them on in. This way you can take them out for whatever you want to do. You want to make a fruit salad, you want to make a smoothie, you want to make what you'll see in a minute. I love it. Then what I do, one other thing, is I fold it down, push the air out, and zip lock it, and then I put a clothespin on top, just in case, an extra precaution. Now I'll show you what I'm going to do with ours, and this is like a evening snack before bed. I take some milk and some of the nectarines, frozen or fresh, it doesn't matter, and I blend it up. No sugar, no nothing else. Then I put it in these containers that are frozen solid, where you can make your own ice cream or frozen dessert, whatever you want to call the dessert. I call it ice cream, but I know it's not. Now what I'm using here is a manual ice cream maker, and you still can buy the 1 quart size. I don't know if they make the little single serve sizes anymore. I'm gonna have to say I had a fetish and I was picking them up at the thrift store every time I saw them. But we love them. This way I can make one for me and one for Gary. And there's only a cup of milk in there and 4 nectarines. So with that, have a great day. Grow some trees if you can. You could probably even grow these in a pot. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. These are they're not reading glasses. They're clear glasses. See, there's a blue tinge. Well, I wear them out here to protect my eyes because I'm wandering into things all the time. Notice how dirty they are? It's because I was watering and I guess I got water sprayed on me. But I'm being careful and safe.